welcome to my YouTube channel with Jackson. Today we're going to do some Moon Salutations. So Moon Salutations are a slower, less energetic version of the Sun Salutation, which is designed to lift your energy and get you ready for practice. A Moon Salutation is slower and it works more the side body. So Sun Salutations, you're folding forwards, bending back. Moon Salutations, we're going side to side. So as always, take it easy, work within a pain-free range. Jackson is going to go and sit over there with his toy, and hopefully he'll join in with us as well. So we're going to go through a Moon Salutation. Inhale, take the arms up, hold on to the left wrist, and come into a side stretch, feeling a stretch down the left side of the body. Inhale to come all the way back up, and swap to the other side. Feeling a stretch down the right side of the body. Inhale to come back. We'll take the feet wider than hip distance, toes out at a 45-degree angle, arms up to star pose. As you exhale, bend the knees, come to goddess. Pull your elbows back. Feel a stretch in the shoulders. Sit low. Engage your abdomen here, so pull your navel back to the spine to keep your spine long. Straighten the left leg and the right leg, so left toes turn out, arms at shoulder height, reach as far to the left as you can come and come into triangle. So in triangle, I'm keeping the chest open again, not folding forwards. If looking up to the right hand isn't working for you, you can take your hand to your lower back. You can look straight ahead or down to your left toes. Big breath in. Exhale, we're turning now the chest to face the floor. So step your right foot out a little. We're squaring the hips up. So left hip's pulling forwards. Sorry, left hip's pulling back, the right hip's pulling forwards. And if you've got blocks here, super. If not, you can't reach the floor, hands can come to your leg. If you can reach the floor, awesome. Think about the hips heading back. You want a nice flat spine as much as you can. So we're not trying to round down. And to lengthen here. And keep those hips there. Pulling forward. Big breath in. Exhale to bend the left knee. Come down to a low lunge. You can have your toes tucked if that feels better. Or the toes can be flat on the floor. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to begin your lunge. Again, if the arms are not happy, roll them up. Keep them here. We want to feel your chest lifting. We want to feel that sense of openness. Okay, you can lift your arms off. Big breath in. Exhale, hands come to the floor, coming to Skandasana. So you're going to pivot your left toes face forwards, come up onto the left toes, right leg points up. So I'll show you that again. So we're in a low lunge. The left toes come to point forwards. It could be up on my toes or it could be flat. My right leg lifts up. So maybe you've got more flexibility in your ankle, you can have your left foot flat, or maybe it feels better to have your toe tucked. Totally fine. You can be very fancy here and take your hands on the balance, or you can keep them on the floor, holding on for dear life. We want to externally rotate that leg so the toes are pointing up to the ceiling. Take a big breath in, and for you to Malasana. To a squat. So your squat might look like this. You might have your heels up, you might be up here, or you might be able to get your feet flat on the floor. Wherever you are, that's where you are today, and practicing accepting that. Elbows come into knees and come into good position. This is helping to get a bit more of a stretch in the inner thighs. Try to lift the chest again, so we're thinking about that openness that we've had in low lunge. Openness we've created in triangle. As you exhale, your hands come to the floor. We're going to take the right foot up onto the toes, or you can have the foot flat, left leg externally rotates, toes up to the ceiling for Skandasana on this side. You can check your balance, see how it feels. One side will be better than the other. Not about labelling them, it's about seeing how you are and accepting that. Big breath in, we're going to come round to our low lunge. So we're placing the right foot on the floor, left leg behind us. So set up your foundations first. Press the right foot down. Press the top of the left foot down. Inhale. If you want to take the arms up, go for it. If you want to keep them down here, that's totally fine as well. Breathe in. Exhale all the air out. Another breath in. Exhale to come down. We're going to step the left leg in, coming to your pyramid pose. So this time the right hip's heading back, left hip's heading forwards. And we're breathing here. Try to keep your neck in line with the rest of your spine so don't have a up. Down. Feel the length. When you move the left leg back, right hand comes to your shin, to your thigh, to your ankle, lift up to triangle. So know your options. You can put your hand behind your back. You can be looking straight ahead or straight down. Big breath in. Keep the chest open here. So you can fall forwards. Open up. As you inhale, come all the way up. Toes point forwards. Come back to your goddess pose. Feel amazing. Inhale to your star. And step your feet together. We'll take a hold of the left wrist. And come over to the left side. Inhale back to centre. Hold of the right wrist. And over to the right side. And come all the way back. The breath might be quite hard in this one. If you want new moves, what different stuff. Try the slowly. All about moving slow in Moon Salutation. And try to just feel what feels good. It's about creating a sense of openness. So we'll give that a go again. Inhale, take your eyes up. Left hand is clasped by the right. And again, we're trying to create length down the side of the body. So not folding forwards. Staying up and open. Inhale, back up. And exhale to the opposite side. Taking as many breaths as you need. Inhale to come back up. Feet step out to your star pose, stretch, and then exhale to goddess. Sit down as low as feels okay for you. You can come back out of it if you need to, and then come back in. Big breath in, and as you exhale, you're pivoting the left toes and coming into our triangle. So trying to lengthen, feeling as if from the tip of the right hand to each foot we're creating a triangle. And then exhale to turn your chest to face the floor. Step the right leg out a little and come to pyramid pose. So feel your chest pulling forwards. Feel your legs lengthening, strong into the ground. Inhale here. And exhale. Hands come to the floor and step the right leg back. Put and back leg. Shank on the ground. Will the inhale onto a lunge. You know the options if you want to have your hands down here. Totally fine. Big breath in. Exhale, we can use the skandasana. So we're trying again, rotating the leg up. Inhale. Exhale to come to your squat. To Malasana. Whatever that looks like, give it a shot. Inhale, exhale. And then skandasana on the other side, so extending the left leg. A good stretch for the foot as well. Let's flip it round, coming to your low lunge. Inhale, take that hands up, or keep it down. So you can go with cactus arms if you like. That stretch there. Breathing, feeling the chest opening. Exhale, hands come to the floor, and we step the left leg in and back to our pyramid. Right hips heading back, left hips heading forwards, lengthening the spine. Taking a few breaths here. Feel the feet pressing into the floor. Now your right hand comes to your right leg, left leg moves in. We'll come to our triangle. So again, feel more stretch in the side body and folding forwards. Big breath in, all the way back up, turn the toes to face alongside the mat, back to your star. Exhale, back to goddess. Add an extra star in there. Back up. Step your feet together. Hold on to the left wrist and stretch to the side. Back up. And we'll take the right hand and stretch over to the other side. Come back down. So you bring your hands into Anjali Mudra, so the tips of your fingers come together. If you don't want to do prayer position, this is a nice one to do. It helps to balance, and you're feeling the energy between the right and left side of your body. So a Moon Salutation is helping to balance both sides of the body, working through the side body, and hopefully once you learn it, it's a little less dynamic than the Sun Salutation. It's super to do first thing in the morning. Also, if you take it nice and slow, nice to do in the evening as well. So, take your gaze down to your hands and close your eyes. And pressing into the sternum. Notice the rhythm of your heart. Notice how your body, your mind feel after your yoga practice today. And accept where you are. No judgments, just acceptance. And come lift your lips up to give yourself a smile. Thank yourself for taking part in yoga today. If you enjoyed this class, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know how you got on, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some other wonderful yoga videos. You have a wonderful day.